ASUS Router App not detecting devices. Resync steps. Step 1. Restart your router and device. First, try a simple restart. Unplug your ASUS router from the power outlet, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. While the router is restarting, also restart the device you're using the ASUS Router app. Step 2. Ensure your device is connected to the ASUS Wi-Fi. Make sure the device running the ASUS Router app is connected to the Wi-Fi network provided by your ASUS router. The app needs to be on the same network to properly communicate with the router and detect connected devices. Step 3. Update ASUS Router app and firmware. Check for updates for both the ASUS Router app on your device and your router's firmware. Outdated software can often lead to connectivity issues. You can usually update the router's firmware through the app itself or by accessing the router's web interface. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. If you're on an Android device, try clearing the cache and data for the ASUS Router app in your phone settings. For iOS users, you might need to uninstall and then reinstall the app to ensure a fresh start. Factory reset for step 5. As a last resort, if none of the above steps work, you might consider performing a factory reset on your ASUS router. This will revert all settings to default, so you'll need to reconfigure your network. There's usually a small reset button on the back of the router that you can press and hold for about 10 seconds.